hoarding cleanup update. Yeah. I'll leave you. Wow. Now I vacuumed all the leaves up. I could move my ruckus motorcycle up this way and make more room there. We're gonna have a dance floor. Again. Yeah. I'll show you more in just a sec. Yep, all that's adding to the trash, even that chair. Yeah. Look at this pile of crap. Yeah, all that's going in the trash too. Awesome. Awesome. I think that's a goner. Hey, I found another area to clean up. Yeah. Let's see my workshop. Yeah, I love working in here. Uh-oh. It might be awful dark. There's no room to work. Huh. We're gonna have to hoard clean this up too. Yeah. Oh, the bicycles we'll never use again. Yeah, you hide them behind the barn. Yeah. I should put something out here. It'd be a nice little area to come sit at under the trees. Oh, a ladder. I haven't used that ladder in 6 years. Yeah. Well, folks, is that a big difference? Check it out. I still got to figure out what to do with this. Still got to move the motorcycle up. But I cleaned the floor. I vacuumed it. I threw away so much stuff. Man, she's going to be happy when she comes over to help me clean. And she's still going to find more things to get rid of. I know she is. I'm throwing away a lot of crap. I really am. You're leaning. There, you're leaning the other way now. Yeah. I threw away a lot of stuff. I vacuumed the ground. I got to get this thing more cleared out. I still got that to do. Do you want to see me clean out my hoarding garage? Yeah, because we're going to do that in a couple weeks, and it's pretty bad. If you're interested in it, let me know. To make it cool, I'm going to leave a poll. And you click on that poll, and it says, make a hoarding video, Papa. More hoarding videos. It'll say yes or no. Click on that. It's private. I don't know who does what, but it's a poll. A really cool one. Let's do that. Yeah, I don't know what y'all want to see other than my cooking or how-tos. Gigi's fixing to come out, and she's putting on her bikini, gonna come out, and she's gonna lay in the pool. So I gotta go play lifeguard. That's right, I just sit over here and watch her. I wanna make sure she stays safe. Yeah, it's Papa, Texas. See ya.